Rockies, and North Carolina, Davidson, and Davie.
How's it going, guys? WR100 here, even though you probably know who the hell I am at this point, along with
Norfolk Southern Storm, currently waiting for Cleveland to test.
And today, since I have nothing else better to do, I actually got another radio, and I'm just gonna unbox this. I'm not gonna say what it is. And yeah. Yep. I'm actually gonna try and open this package one-handed. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to use two hands for this, but actually, you know what? Just rip it open. There we go. Oh, look. Something. Don't know what this is, but bubble, now it's dead. And that is a lousy way to wrap up a DC cord. And there's Cleveland's test.
And there goes Katie's test. This is what I'm doing.
Tests of these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is a threat or existing severe weather in the area, the test will be postponed until the following day. This ends the test of the no-weather radio warning alarm. The forecast for northeast Midland, Ohio. Today, cloudy. A slight chance of showers this morning, and a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms.
I love how the song guard always glitches.
Highs in the upper
At first I wasn't sure, and then it finally went.
Wind 5 to 10 miles per hour. Chance of rain 30%. Tonight, mostly cloudy.
Well, there you go, Nicholas. You got
Southwest.
Katie, what did I say? What did I say? As soon as Nicholas joined, they toned it. What did I do? I
not immediately. Not immediately.
Yeah, but after a short while.
Alright. Moving onward. Here's the DC adapter. Oh, looks very similar to my version 1 WR300's adapter. But yeah, moving onward, because that has a different head. Oh, I guess we just decided to put little remnants of sticky notes everywhere. Yeah, I know it's tape. I just said it said remnants of sticky notes because the yellow kind of reminds me of sticky notes. And this is the radio, a Midland WR100 version 2.
Yeah, with a bigger antenna. I can easily replicate what he's got just by switching antennas, so.
Yeah, anyways, let's put this guy over here. Throw the package stuff over here. And I just realized I'm gonna need my tripod for this, so hold on. Okay, so sorry for everyone that had to experience a minor seizure from my phone, but I just realized that my tripod holder was forcing down the volume down button, so yeah. So now that we're back into the recording, yeah, as you can tell, version 2 WR100. Now, this isn't any normal version 2. If I raise the antenna, that's totally stiff. It's the 2003 version with the bigger antenna, and god damn it. So you might be thinking, why did you order another WR100? Don't you have like 4 of them now? And the reason why I got this, in case you heads are wondering, is because I mean, yeah, I do have a black and silver, and I do have a version 1 WR100, but I mean, hey, at least I know what a WR100 with the statement light looks like without it being in black and silver.
Hey, later in the month, I'm actually going to be touching his black and silver. Wait, what?
Okay, both a spoiler and that sounded extremely awkward and weird. Totally not.
A fucking radio. Fucking black and white.
Meanwhile, while Clay has a seizure of his own, let's unravel this cord.
Gee, maybe I should find me a yellow Sharpie, color one of my radios yellow,
And
and put black on it, and be like, oh, hey, it's a Pittsburgh one.
and if I could just route the adapter through here. Okay, good, it fits. Now, before we power this on, let's pull a Matthew Stryer here and press all the buttons to wish it good luck in service. Flip the switches too, because why not? And let's route the cord to here. Version 2. Alright, let's do a quick setup of this thing. So time, it's currently 11:30. Channel.
1 degrees on the area waters. Seas to winds for south at 14 knots, gusting to 16 knots.
Load type, set that to voice. Same set. Let's see if there's any, oh. Alright, so this has a slight speaker problem, but that shouldn't really be that bad. I'm going to self-activate this thing later and see if it works to its full potential. But yeah, so that was a brief unboxing and setup of the Midland WR100 version 2. Be sure to strike them likes and flood that subscribe button, and also be sure to subscribe to these devious beaches over here. And hope to see you guys in the next video. This is ThunderBuddy01 signing out, along with
Norfolk Southern Star, Brad, and Borla. Now I got one.
Those of you guys who don't know, Seagull Borla looked dead, and I'm here and caged now too long and tortured me with twice the Borla.
Hey,
And also,
maybe I should. Hey.
It's bad enough I already have some of them.
I have both of these with the lights on. If I can hold these. And I'm bored.
Damn it.
Maybe I should get the Borla Mustang next.
You're holding a fucking Zilker to the goddamn Borla Mustang at the same time.
The lights on. I mean, I could grab a Sharpie, but I can only hold so much.
Damn it, Katie.
At least it tested. At first, I wasn't sure. It was like, let me think about it. And then I thought it sent out a weird code, like something activation, like what the heck? And then it finally, that's like, okay.
Alright. So, again with the outro, ThunderBuddy01 signing out along with...
A very devious Norfolk Southern Storm.
Alright.
And then Orla.
And...
Thanks a lot, Katie!
and see you guys later.